Hey everyone, it's Miss Woodard. I'm here to do our social studies lesson this week. This week we'll be doing week 5, a map grid. A map grid is a map that has numbers at the top and letters on the side and a key at the bottom. Okay. Before we begin with this, I'd like everybody to please put their name and their number at the top so you can get credit for this assignment. Okay, it's very important. Miss Woodard just made a copy of the back so I could have it side by side so we can have the questions and the grid. Okay, but make sure it's very important to put your name and your number so I know who to give the grade for. Back to our grid. Remember I told you a map grid is a map that has the numbers and the letters. At the bottom of this map we have a key. There's a playground. Okay, we see the playground on our map right here. Baseball, we see the baseball field up here on our map. Basketball, right here. If I look on our map, it's right here under the number 3. Path, okay. Here's our entrance of our path, and it goes all the way up. Picnic area, okay. It's these 4 boxes right here. A park bench right here. We can find that right there. Water fountain is right here. And the last one is woods. It's right here. So we're going to use our map grid to answer our questions for this week. Okay. For Monday, we had 2 questions. The first one, in which square would you find the park entrance? So if I look on my grid, on my map, I need to find the park entrance. Okay. And we always do the letter first and then the number. Our letter is E. Our number is 5. So what we're going to write is E5 on our paper. Number 1 for Monday is E5. Okay. Number 2, in which square would you go? In which square would you go to play basketball? Basketball. So I'm going to find basketball on my map. I'm going to do my letter first, A, and then my number 3. A3 to go play basketball. Monday for number 2 is A3. Tuesday, in which square can you get a drink of water? Well, I got to find that water fountain, which is, I look at my key, the water fountain, find it on my map right here. Remember, we do the letter first, which is E. We go up to get my number 4, E4. For Wednesday, number 1. Tuesday. Number 2 for Tuesday. In which square can you rest on a park bench? Well, let's go find my key, park bench. It's right here. Remember, we're going to find our letter first, which is C. Go up and for my number 4. C4. All right, now we're moving on to Wednesday's question. How many, they want a number, how many squares does the picnic area include? Well, we're going to find our picnic area. Remember, look at our key. Okay, see the tables. Let's go back to our map, find the tables. They're right here. Okay, A1, A2, B1, B2. But they want to know how many. Well, that would be 1, 2, 3, 4. There's 4 boxes for the picnic area. Then the number 4, how many? Now for question number 2 for Wednesday. Now we have to name the squares for the picnic area. Remember, that was A1, A2, B1, B2. A1, A2, B1, and B2. Okay, now we're going to go to Thursday's questions. How many squares does the baseball diamond include? They want a number. How many squares does the baseball diamond include? Well, Let's find the baseball diamond. Remember, use our map. Find the baseball, see what the picture's supposed to look like. We go up here to our map. Now let's count the squares. 1, 2, 3, 4. There's 4 squares. Number 2, name the squares for the baseball area. Well, here's the baseball area. Remember, do your letters first. A4, A5, B4, B5. So we're going to write those down. A4, A5, B4, and B5. Okay. Friday, question number 1. What is above square E5? Above. So we're going to find square E5, and we're going to go above it. Okay. Now, remember this? Look down here at our key. What is it? It's the woods. So we're going to write woods for our answer. So on Friday, number 1, write woods. Number 2, for Friday, the playground equipment is in which 4 squares? So we need 4 answers. The playground equipment. Go down here to our key, see what the playground looks like. We got to find 4 squares, and they're right here. D1, D2, E1, E2. And we're going to write all of those down. Okay. Remember, that was D1, D2, E1, and E2. For your challenge this week, find square C2. Well, find the letter C, go over. Number 2, go down. It's this box right here. Okay? With this box, I want you to draw a picture in this square of something you might see at the park. Okay? I want you to use your imagination, and I want you to think something you might see at the park, and I want you to draw it right here to receive credit. Okay? And we've gone over each of these questions for this week, so I hope you paid attention and corrected your answers. Okay? I'll be looking for your answers on Monday, so make sure you got your name and you answered each question and you drew your picture. Okay? I miss you guys, and I'm so excited to see you. So you guys take care. Okay? Bye bye.